Okay, drone pool here. Here is my drone, my first build, real build, besides the Tyro 99 Mellow Yellow. Well, she fell out of the sky the other day, and let's just go to the footage, and then I'll try and explain to you what I think happened. Okay, here you go. Watch this. So originally I thought, well, I flung a battery and that's what happened, or whatever. I don't know. But then I was thinking, I heard that clicking noise. And what I'm thinking is that somehow, see, this antenna is all chewed up. See, it's supposed to look like this. Have that black cover, and it doesn't. It's gone. But this still picks up some signal, FPV signal, believe it or not. So what I'm thinking was somehow the antenna either vibrated loose or somehow got over this direction and got onto a propeller. And that's what I was hearing, clicking. Until eventually it took a prop out, which caused it to dive. And in the process of flipping and turning, I think I threw the battery. Because I don't think this propeller broke on impact, because I could not find the other piece at the crash site. I couldn't find it. So I'm thinking this broke a while back, and the momentum of the drone just kept bringing it this direction, is what I'm thinking. My Firefly's all askew. The run cam looks like it's okay. I don't see no damage to it. The motor's still spun up, so I guess I'm going to go ahead and replace some props, put a new antenna on, probably go in beta flight and recalibrate the accelerometer, and then do a hover test and see how she does. But I think she's okay. But this is the first time Mellow Yellow ever hit the ground like that. And I heard the thud when it landed. I knew it was close. I heard the thud. But I actually thought it was behind me. I just thought it was, and it was actually in front of me and about 20 yards to the right. So that's the story. And since that happened, I went and got these one things. I threw the packaging away, but it's like Velcro, but it's not. And there's other guys are using something similar, and I got one on the batteries, and this stuff it locks in better than Velcro. I don't know if you heard that, but I'm pretty happy with it. It would take a lot to shake that off. And then went to pull it apart. See, it takes some power to pull it apart. I can't. Wow. These are Scotch brand. I got these at Ace Hardware for like $3. I had enough to do all my quads and all my big batteries, and I got a couple pieces left over. So this is better than Velcro, I'm thinking. So alright, yeah, I just thought I had this thing now about throwing batteries just in case, so I went ahead and got this. See how these work out. Alright, I'll give old Mellow Yellow a going over, and then I'll get back with you and let you know what I find out. Alright. Drone Pool, signing out.